to From Simmer to Sizzle. I'm Nikki and this is Jacob, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a salad and a soup. I mean, not a soup, a salad and a sandwich.
That's staying in. Along with the whole first take.
Oops. Anyway, it's a pretty fancy salad and a pretty fancy sandwich, but I'm going to be making it. Jacob's just going to watch, so yeah.
What's the first step?
You got to get your ciabatta bread.
What's that bread?
Ciabatta.
Okay. It's not what she said.
She said ja.
Ja.
It's cha.
So we're making a sandwich. It's called a summer sandwich. It's pretty basic.
It's got pesto.
Ciabatta bread.
Cheese.
Spread some pesto. Put a slice of tomato, and then top it with fontina cheese. Put it in the broiler, and then put the top of the ciabatta on it, and that's your sandwich. It's really simple.
It's a pretty simple, fancy sandwich.
And for our salad, we're going to do a truffle vinaigrette. I'm going to make my own vinaigrette, kind of shoot from the hip on that one. And we're going to have a bit of white wine with that.
Yep. So let's get started with the sandwich first.
Yeah, so go ahead and bring the ciabatta over there. We need the pesto, tomatoes, and cheese.
Pesto is really well on pasta.
Yes, it is. It's basically just
it's not bad. It's like basil.
just basil and olive oil.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes like Parmesan, so I bet there's Parmesan in there.
It's not bad. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, there's Romano. Okay, the tomatoes and the cheese.
Can we start over again?
Nope. Alright. So.
Can I have mayonnaise on mine?
We'll see.
You're a good cook.
Thanks.
You're supposed to say thanks.
Okay. Tomato.
Tomato.
You want a thicker slice of tomato or a thin one?
It's actually in here, and I want it that one.
Not this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want two.
You want two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomatoes are good.
Okay. Now we got some cheese. Here, put some cheese on this one. I'm going to cover the tomato so that when it melts, it looks real good.
Real good.
There we go.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Alright.
What else?
That's it.
Prosciutto.
No, we can put that on after if you want.
Why?
Because these are going to go in the broil until the cheese melts.
The tomato's gonna be hot. Maybe I should just have one.
A little bit.
I like cold tomatoes.
Do you want to take the tomato off?
Oh, it's fine.
Okay.
We're trying new things. That's the whole purpose of this show. And if it's terrible, y'all get to see my terrible reaction.
Alright. So it'll just take a minute.
I think it's really
I
good.
don't remember if I said what kind of cheese it was.
It kind of tastes like
It's
provolone.
fontina.
Hard to find.
Yeah, a little bit. It's a very like creamy cheese. Very smooth.
Doesn't it taste
buttery.
like provolone a little?
A little bit, but I think it's a little bit smoother than provolone is.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Do you want pesto on yours too?
Sure. Just a little bit because we put a bunch on the bottom, you know.
Do you want more than that?
I think that's fine. Well, lettuce.
Oh, we gotta put lettuce in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just gonna take a small handful of lettuce.
You said nice vegetarian option.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, true.
That should be good. Now let's set that off the side. You don't want to take a bite of it right now.
No.
It's still hot.
That's yours, that one's mine.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's on the right because I
And
know
we
which
will
right.
roll right into the salad.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Yours on the left, mine's on the right.
Alright, so I'm going to take, we got some minced shallot here. I'm going to take just a little bit. That's good. Now, to make a vinaigrette, all you really need is oil and vinegar. But we're going to add a little bit more to it. Let's see, I'll put the vinegar in first. Now, do you want to use red wine vinegar or champagne vinegar? This one's a little more citrusy, this one's a little sweeter. If I had to choose, I would go with this one, but it's your choice. You got? Champagne? It's up to you.
Champagne.
Okay.
That's what you get.
Yeah, but Jacob likes the other one.
Yeah, he doesn't always get what he wants, right,
No.
Jake?
Yep.
So we're gonna add.
Okay, that's good.
I know.
Is that alcohol?
No.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do?
I was like, wait a
Is
minute.
that chicken in the tuna? Let's see. Or chicken, is that?
All right.
Huh?
Never mind.
What we're gonna do?
Can I add it?
Yeah, just slowly drizzle it in while I whisk the vinegar around. All right, that's good.
It smells good.
Alright, just drizzle a little bit more in. Alright. So what we're doing here with this is we're creating what's called an emulsion, where you blend the oil together with the vinegar. That's why you want to keep whisking it. Until they start to combine.
Yeah, it needs flying out.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't need them anyway.
That looks good. Now that's a vinaigrette right there, but we can add a little bit more to it to add like a body to the, almost make it like a dressing. So what we'll do, we got a little bit of Dijon mustard. You had measuring spoons back there. Okay. We're just going to use a teaspoon. Because this is based off of a recipe I saw somewhere, but kind of modified, and I just kind of don't use any exact measurements.
Pepper.
Oh yeah, never.
It's the best way to cook.
I'll add a little bit of...
Maybe like a tablespoon if you want. Are you doing it?
Not a full tablespoon. You gotta break up the clumps of mayo.
It's flying in.
Yeah. Look how smooth that came together. Now,
Smells good.
some salt and pepper here.
Wow.
Well, everything needs a little salt and pepper.
Okay, that's good. Or a lot of salt. Okay, that's good. It was good for cold. Is that going to be enough for all this lettuce?
Probably not.
Okay, we shouldn't have all this lettuce. 'Cause I don't like all that.
That's fine.
Just like a little bit.
That's fine.
How about I get myself a bowl?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Should probably get bowls out.
Okay, I'm going to tear off some of this.
Okay. The last thing I'm going to put in here is a little bit of fresh parsley.
Can I have the sesame seeds? And we didn't make any croutons.
We don't need croutons.
I like croutons. Can I have those? Can I have the sunflower seeds, please?
He just said that. She wants sunflower seeds.
Please.
Ooh.
Tangy?
Very tangy.
You want to add a little sugar? If it's
No,
too
I don't think
tart.
so.
It's not bad.
I don't think it's too tart.
Nikki, you want to
I think that's good.
What about the parsley?
It's already in there. See the green stuff?
Ooh. And what about croutons?
I don't want to make croutons right now.
I
We
did.
can do this whole show in one take. You want to try the...
I want some of that.
Well, try it
I already
first.
did try it. It was really
Oh,
good.
you did?
Yeah. That's the spoon. Just try it.
I didn't know you just put... Jesus. God.
Oh no. I wasn't eating my salad. That's so hard to
Okay. There's very little salad in there. So.
That's fine. That's good. That's good. A little bit more.
Is your next show your 1-year anniversary show? Making this?
What?
I think so.
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah.
What?
Your next show will be 1 year of making the show.
Yeah, we've got to make cookies. White chocolate macadamia nut, please.
I was thinking peanut butter and chocolate.
And white chocolate macadamia nut, please. I can do both.
You should just put the lettuce in the bag. Mix it up. He cooks and cleans. Nice.
Yeah, he's a good one. He cooks and he cleans. They're hard to find.
The last thing we're going to do,
Let's pour
pour some
more.
wine.
Okay, which one is what?
So this is a small batch from somewhere in Missouri called Small Batch Winery, Island Breeze. This one's a little sweeter, so you'll probably like that
Is
one.
that the one I already tried?
You've tried both of these. This is one we got from Brie. This is Menage a Trois Limelight Pinot Grigio, which I think would go well with these flavors.
One of them I tried, I like, but I don't know.
You've tried both of these. I don't know which one you liked.
Oh yeah, that's good. I like that.
What are the flavors in that? Can you read them off the label? It might be on the front.
Grape wine with natural flavor and caramel color.
Never mind that.
A mouth-watering blend creates a perfect thirst quencher, transporting you to a tropical beach. The acidity of the pineapple and the bitterness of the banana. So there's pineapple and banana. Combined with an aromatic white wine will keep you sunning on your beach chair, enjoying this well-balanced and refreshing
So
drink.
banana and pineapple. Great. And that's Pinot Grigio.
Yes. Very citrusy,
Oh, well.
very refreshing. It's a crisp wine. I think it would be good with what we got here.
Don't try that. You're gonna hate it.
So, the salad, what do you think?
Really good. I could probably use a little bit more lettuce. I know a lot.
The wine pairs very nicely with the salad because they're both kind of citrusy flavors.
Y'all should make the sandwich. This is perfect picnic food. So you could always prepare it and then go on a picnic. And then, you know, it'd be fun. But we're not doing that because we're too busy filming a show for you guys.
Yeah, the sandwich
That's
is
really
good.
good.
It's got some nice, like, savory, almost, it's kind of savory, I don't know, because of the basil and the pesto, tomato, the acidity kind of brightens it up. It's got a good crunch to it because of the lettuce and the toasted bread.
Yep. I totally recommend this recipe, all of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below some video ideas you want to see us make in the future. Thank you.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.
Oh, good job.